Welcome to the best picks. The best Hello Kitty beads is probably one of the most adorable and versatile craft supplies for anyone looking to add a touch of kawaii charm to their jewelry making projects, offering a delightful way to express creativity and personal style through a beloved character that has captured hearts worldwide for decades. Number 5. Gxueshan 840 PCS Star Heart Kandi Acrylic Beads Kit. Discover a vibrant collection of acrylic beads in charming pastel shades. This extensive kit offers a delightful mix of heart, star, bow, and flower shapes, perfect for all your DIY jewelry aspirations. Keep your creations tidy with the included 32-compartment storage box. Everything is neatly organized, making it easy to find the perfect bead for your next project. These beads come in various sizes, from 8mm to 12mm, with hole diameters ranging from 1.8mm to 6.5mm. They are designed to be versatile for all your crafting needs. From dazzling earrings and bracelets to unique necklaces and hair accessories, the possibilities are limitless. You can even add a personal touch to phone cases, photo frames, and greeting cards. Crafted from high-quality, lightweight acrylic plastic, these beads boast a smooth surface and bright colors. Enjoy a comfortable and long-lasting wear for all your handmade items. Surprise your friends and loved ones with the gift of creativity. This kit is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion, inspiring joy and imagination. Design personalized friendship bracelets, candy bracelets, and more. Mix and match the assorted colors and shapes to express your unique style and create meaningful gifts. What we like. This bead set offers a massive quantity with diverse shapes and colors, perfect for extensive DIY projects. If you are looking for a bulk supply to create many friendship bracelets or candy, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for crafters who want variety and volume in one package. What people say. The beads are well made and have a good variety of shapes and sizes, perfect for creating unique jewelry pieces. The Hello Kitty designs are adorable and accurately represented in the product photos. The colors are vibrant and don't fade easily. The holes in the beads are large enough for most jewelry making threads and wires, making them easy to work with. Number 4. LaBenie Dangle Kitty Charm with Pink Bow. Introducing the LaBenie Dangle Kitty Charm. This adorable accessory features a playful kitty design, perfect for adding a touch of cuteness to your belongings. It's adorned with a sweet pink bow, adding a pop of color and extra charm. This detail makes it stand out and adds a feminine touch. The dangle design allows it to move freely, catching the eye and adding a dynamic element. It's sure to be a conversation starter. Crafted with attention to detail, this charm is made to last. You can trust in its quality and durability for everyday wear. Looking for a unique gift? This charming kitty accessory makes a wonderful present for friends, family, or anyone who loves cute and stylish items. Add a touch of whimsy and personality to your keys, bags, or backpack. It's a delightful way to express your unique style. What we like. This dangle charm captures the essence of Hello Kitty with a sweet pink bow, adding a playful touch to any accessory. If you love the classic Hello Kitty look and want a piece that adds a bit of flair and movement, this charm is perfect for your bracelets or necklaces. What people say. The beads are very cute and come in a variety of shapes and sizes, perfect for making bracelets and necklaces. The Hello Kitty charms are a nice addition, and the colors are vibrant and appealing. The beads are made of good quality plastic and are easy to string, even for small hands. Number 3. Anjulery 36 PCS Enamel Cat Charms. Introducing a set of 36 charming cat-themed charms from Anjulery. These adorable additions are perfect for all your creative endeavors. Crafted from high-quality alloy enamel, these charms are built to last. Their vibrant colors and clear details ensure they'll add a special touch to any creation. These versatile charms are ideal for jewelry making, decorating apparel, or adding flair to cards and scrapbooks. Let your imagination run wild with their many uses. Each charm features a convenient jump loop, making them incredibly easy to attach. Simply add your favorite jump rings to connect them to your bracelets, necklaces, or earrings. Surprise the crafting enthusiast in your life with these delightful kitty charms. They make a wonderful gift and are a fantastic addition to any DIY collection. What we like. This collection provides a generous number of durable and vibrantly colored cat charms, ideal for a wide range of crafting needs. If you're a fan of cats and want to add cute, long-lasting embellishments to multiple jewelry pieces or crafts, this set offers great value and versatility. What people say. The beads are a good size for bracelets and necklaces. The Hello Kitty charms are very cute and detailed. The kit comes with a variety of colors and shapes. Number 2. Dangle Hello Kitty charm with red bow. Introducing the Dangle Hello Kitty charm. It's a delightful accessory that brings a touch of playful charm to your style. Featuring the beloved Hello Kitty character, this charm is instantly recognizable and full of personality. It's a perfect way to show your love for this iconic figure. Adorned with a vibrant red bow, this piece adds a pop of color and a classic touch. The detail is meticulously crafted for a charming look. Its dangle design allows it to move freely, catching the eye and adding dynamic flair. You can easily attach it to bracelets, necklaces, or even bags. Looking for a special gift? This charm is an ideal present for Hello Kitty fans of all ages. It's a thoughtful way to bring a smile to someone's face. Elevate your jewelry or accessory collection with this adorable charm. It's a must-have for any enthusiast seeking cute and stylish additions. What we like. This charm features the beloved Hello Kitty with a striking red bow, offering a pop of color and iconic appeal. If you prefer a bolder statement and want a classic Hello Kitty charm that stands out, this is a fantastic option for adding personality to your handmade items. What people say. The beads are a good size for making bracelets and necklaces. The Hello Kitty designs are very cute and detailed. The beads are made of durable plastic and hold their color well. Number 1. Silver Tone Hello Kitty Ancient MV003 Pendant. Discover a touch of vintage charm with this unique pendant. It's perfect for adding a special flair to your jewelry creations. Featuring a beloved Hello Kitty design, this piece brings a playful and nostalgic feel. It's an ideal find for collectors and fans alike. Need to repair or create a special piece of jewelry? This finding is an excellent component for your crafting needs. This is the Ancient MV003 model, offering a distinctive look. Its retro appeal makes it stand out. Crafted with a classic silver tone finish, this pendant offers a timeless aesthetic. It's designed to complement a variety of styles. Enhance your jewelry making supplies with this charming pendant. It's a delightful addition for any creative project. What we like. This charm offers a unique vintage silver tone and a retro Hello Kitty design, perfect for creating a nostalgic or antique-inspired look. If you appreciate a more subtle, classic aesthetic and want to add a touch of vintage charm to your jewelry, this pendant is an excellent choice. What people say. The beads are a good size for bracelets and necklaces. The variety of colors and shapes is fantastic, offering many creative possibilities. They are easy to string and work with, even for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.